Google is now introducing an availability markup feature into the image search results page for Google product ads, which will enable you to show customers how many products you have available for sale. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching. When you search for a product on Google, you may have noticed that certain products are displaying the availability on the ads. This is a new feature introduced recently called Google Product Ads Availability Markup. Shopping image search results. The availability of products will now be shown within the image results. Products that are in stock will display as green, and those out of stock will be red. This makes it easier for your customers to see at a glance what is available for them to buy. Price and description. When the customer clicks upon an available product, the price, a short description, and any star reviews will be displayed. This is an interesting development from Google as it shows they are moving towards making image results more actionable for potential customers. From this, we can see that the optimization of Google Ads with images is going to be even more important moving forward, and is another reason to include structured data in the content for your campaigns. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in. Look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.